Hey guys, this is Akash and I'm back with a new video. In this video we are going to make our own homemade microphone. So let's do it ourselves. Things we are going to need is an old earphone, microphone foam and an old clip. The first thing we are going to do is to remove the earphone speaker side. After removing the speaker side we are left with the microphone. Let's quickly fix the mic foam and the clip. So here we have successfully created our own microphone. For this video I am using the same microphone, so do let me know in the comments about it. So that's it for the video, and create your life with creativity. Bye for now.